G5 is a multifunctional FGF pellet 3D printer, which uses granular materials instead of traditional wires to reduce costs and improve efficiency. It can print PLA pellets, PETG pellets, PETG, improved pellets, TPU pellets, ABS pellets and other materials. Here is how the G5 printer adds granular materials. It is different from the traditional FDM 3D printer, so the printer is more harmonious and unified. Next, let's take a look at how G5 prints a model. When G5 printer is printing, its extrusion method is slightly different from that of wire. It will add the granular material in the upper funnel-shaped container according to a certain speed enters the melting zone. The granular material is thermally melted into a paste and then extruded onto the printing platform through the nozzle. The model is very beautiful after printing, with good integrity and high accuracy.